This dream nostalgia content is pulling in millions of views on TikTok right now. And the craziest part, you can create these types of videos completely free. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make them yourself. Here's what I made in less than 7 minutes. So to get started, first head over to ChatGPT. Then go to Explore GPTs in the left sidebar. Search for Dream Nostalgia Generator and click this one. Once you're inside the GPT, hit Start the Generator. It's going to give you 10 scenes to choose from. You can pick a number, type your own idea, or just say more if nothing's really hitting. I'm going with number 6, a cherry blossom train tunnel. Once it loads, the GPT will give you an image prompt and a video prompt. Now copy the image prompt and head over to Google Flow AI. Inside Flow AI, go to Image Mode. Select 9:16, paste your image prompt and hit Generate. Wait a few seconds and boom, our image is generated. Now, seriously, look at the quality and the nostalgia vibe. It feels weirdly relaxing, like a memory you never actually had but somehow still miss. Now, go back to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt, then head back to Google Flow AI. Choose the image you want to animate, paste your video prompt, select the OmniFlash video model, and hit Send. It takes less than a minute. And as you can see, our video is generated and it looks extremely realistic and insanely good. And by using this exact same method, you can create all kinds of viral dream nostalgia videos just like this. So yeah, that's the entire workflow. Subscribe to my channel, AI Centra, so you don't miss the next viral AI niche before everybody else starts copying it. I'll see you in the next video.